Big opposition unity show in Sanguem, leaders pledged to defeat BJP in 2027. Sanguem witnessed a major opposition unity event at the Sanguem Art and Cultural Club, organized under the leadership of prominent local leaders. Meshu DeCosta, Councillor, Sanguem Municipality. Jitendra Naik, Congress Convener, Sanguem. Yeswant Naik, President, Shiv Sena Sanguem. Santosh Gonkar, ex-Sarpanch, Goem Panchayat. Dilesh Sambari. Jeffrey Carvalho. The leaders collectively pledged to defeat the BJP candidate in Sanguem in the 2027 elections, highlighting a united front and coordinated political strategy against the ruling party.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.